Good evening. I just did the Innova one, so I thought I might as well go through just the final project report and the final, since those will be pretty short. These are the last two assignments that are due, and reach out if you have questions. Share my screen. I'm going here to the Zoom that I'm recording for this. I'm gonna go to modules, and we are all the way here at the end. I know, how exciting. So here's the very end. Here's the final project report. Let's see what it is. So this is where you finish off your final project, take the results from sections 1, 2, and 3, which I've done for you, and create a report and a PowerPoint. Wow, exciting. As we get closer, I will give examples of all reports. Um, if I find some, I'll put them up there, but I don't really have any. This is the first time I'm teaching this course. So, all right, so section 1 we did. Section 2 we did. Instead of doing a PowerPoint, I will totally accept a video presentation if you want to verbally explain what you did. I think that'd be way better. So I think anytime of you saying exactly what you did, how you got the numbers and how you did that, that would be the best. So use your project prelim and data assignments for this report. Much of this will come from final project part 2. Right, and this is section 3. So I did all of these for you. All right, so let's see the part that you have to do now. So you have to turn in your own report. I'd rather have the presentation and a report. So I'd rather you just do both. Just give me a report and also do a little video for it. If you're too afraid to do a video, I don't know how you're going to survive in this future technology-driven world where you have to be in front of a screen. So I'm going to push you guys to just make one. If you don't make one, I won't take off a ton of points, but I want to get that from you. So the report must be typed, well organized with all the stuff. Graphs and tables, yep. There should be a short explanation. You just need an introduction, summary of the results, and remarks. For extra credit, you may develop a PowerPoint presentation or poster presentation. Should be 10 to 15 minutes long. Observers who give constructive criticism. Yeah, I'll totally do that. So instead of making this extra credit, I want a video. So I want not a poster. Like just do either a PowerPoint with a video and I'll be super happy. So I'm gonna make this part of it. If you hate that, I'm so sorry. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm adding one piece. I took out tons of stuff in this course, so um here we go. This is the one thing I'll add. Develop a PowerPoint uh post a video because it's online. So develop a video with accompanying report because you don't have to do a PowerPoint. If you just want to reference your actual report, that's fine. Or PowerPoint poster, blah, 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 blah. Presentation should be 10. No, we're gonna just make it. I don't know. It doesn't have to be that long. We'll say just at least 5 minutes. For online students, we will set up a Zoom to present. Okay, I'm cool with that. If you want to present it, I'll have a time, but it's asynchronous, so probably not. I'll just make it for asynchronous. Record the video. Service for asynchronous right now. Presenters will get nope. You're just gonna have to do it. But this piece for sure. Servers who give criticism will get, we'll just say if you provide good feedback, you're gonna get 5% on your grade. 5 to 10% extra on your grade. I think that's fair. All right, online file uploads and restrictions. I love it. Cool. So what did I add? You got to add a little bit of video piece. Hope that doesn't freak you out. I want you to do that. I think that's really important. I don't have any of the old ones, so I'm gonna have to delete that. And I think we're good. Cool. So I'm gonna copy and paste this into the other section and just try your best. You're gonna be just fine, I promise. Don't freak out. Write the paper. I'd love it in APA format. And just explain it. I want you to explain whatever you did for sections 1, 2, and 3. I'll go to modules, it'll change the other one. Now, if you have questions, you're freaking out and be like, I'm the most nervous human in the world, you can do it just audio. I will accept just an audio of you telling me what you did if you're too afraid to have your face be on the I don't know, on the assignment. Right? If you're too afraid of that, guess what I'll do? I will totally accept it audio, but I want to hear you verbally explaining. Develop a video or audio file. That's all I'm really asking for, right? Because you could just have your face blurred out, right? The whole time. All right, cool. Now, try your best. Let me know if you need help. If you're freaked out, don't be. You just need 5 minutes of explaining what you did and what you found, and hopefully something interesting, or how you did it, or what you found out. You could talk about section 1, section 2, or section 3, and that's it. All right. I hope this was clear and useful, and reach out if you need me.